just heading to Kwinana Grain Terminal. Kwinana. Never been there before, so we'll see what it's like. It's a little bit overcast today, so might not be very good footage.
Turn left to stay on Kwinana Beach Road.
This must be it.
Your destination is on the left.
Look at that. Woohoo! I'm too excited. Look at this. Look at the black. Sun's out. Water looks good. Oh my God.
Writers write what they know. Liars write what they wanna show. Singers sing what they told. But I know you got something else to say. Like secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like tongue tied, you on the run. Tribal dancing, I don't know what you are, you are, you are, you are. Summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are, you are, you are.
How beautiful.
Hey boss, what's going on? Yeah.
Josh, your camera. Holy shit. That's a machine, mate. How you going, little man? Are you good?
Oh, I know you got something else for me. Like secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like tongue